In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion, 5 minutes. First, log into Notion so you're ready to work. If you're starting fresh, open a new page. If you prefer a head start, you can also begin with a Notion template and customize it. Either way, the goal is to create a simple, reliable workspace you'll actually use. The backbone of this system is a pair of databases. Think of them as the engine and the steering wheel. One is for projects, which are your high level initiatives. The other is for tasks, which are the individual action items that move those projects forward. Keeping them distinct gives you clarity at both the 10,000-foot view and the ground level. Create each database by typing /table or /board on a new page, then choose New Database. You can start with a table for both. Later, you'll add different views to make them more visual. Now set up key properties so each database captures what matters. Add a status property to track progress. In tasks, you might use not started, in progress, and done. Add an assignee using the person property so responsibility is clear. Add dates to capture due dates or timelines. Finally, add priority with options like low, medium, and high to help you sort and focus. Link the two databases with a relation property. In tasks, create a relation pointing to projects. This lets you assign each task to a specific project and roll up work under the right initiative. It also makes it easy to open a project and see every related task in one place. With structure in place, create helpful views. Use a board view grouped by status for a Kanban style workflow. Add a timeline view when you want to plan across weeks or months. Create a calendar view to see tasks by due date. Filters and sorts are your friends here, like showing only tasks assigned to you or only high priority items due this week. Bring it all together with a central dashboard. Make a page that embeds linked views of projects and tasks, a quick My Tasks list, and upcoming deadlines. Keep it clean and focused so it's the first place you check each day. Finally, save time with project templates. Create a template inside the project's database that pre-fills sections like goals, milestones, and a related tasks view. Each new project gets a consistent structure without extra setup. That's your streamlined Notion project management system, fast to build, easy to maintain, and ready to scale with your work.